how to fix Instagram. You can't mistake this account on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram. You can't mistake this account easy and quick. First thing you need to do, just open App Store or Play Store, and here make sure your Instagram is updated. If you found, just see if there's an update here, and if you found any update, just click on it, and that's it. If that doesn't fix your problem, then restart your phone, turn off your Wi-Fi and open your Instagram and turn it on again. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, now it means that this account need to follow you, and that's it. It's easy. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.